we are going to start with this simple experiment. This process is known as filtration process. If you don't know the meaning of filtration, don't worry yourself. So we are going to talk about it in details later in the video. So filtration, just know that filtration is a separation technique. Now, what are we separating? We have a sand sample here, a soil sample. We have it here. So we have an empty filter paper here that has nothing on it. We have a beaker, an empty beaker. So there's nothing inside, as you can see. We have a funnel here. We have a retort stand here. So, and we have a water sample here. So this is pure water. There's nothing has mixed with it. This is pure distilled water. Now, what are we trying to do? We are trying to create a mixture of this sand and water. And then when we mix the soil and the water together, we are trying to separate the sand from the water. So we are trying to separate the mixture through a process known as filtration. So to start with, we are going to pick up this blank filter paper and then we are going to fold it into 4. As you can see, I'm going to give it the first fold. So this is the first fold. Then I'm going to give it the second fold. So this is the first step. Now, as you can see, this has been folded. It has been folded into 4. So the next step is to insert this into the funnel. So I'm going to insert this filter paper that I've folded into 4 into the funnel and make sure that it is sitting inside the funnel. Now, the next thing is I'm going to mix the sand and the water together. So I'm simply going to do that by pouring the sand inside the water sample. So right now I formed the mixture of soil and water. So let me stir it together. All right. So the next step is we are going to try to separate this particular mixture into its primary constituents, which is the water and the soil. So let's do that. Simply, we are just going to pour in this mixture of sand and water. We are going to pour that into this funnel with filter paper. So I'm going to be careful with it. As you can see water droplets, and that water droplet is clean. It is not coming out with the sand. So I can add more, just a little bit more. So let's wait for the process to occur. Now I will speed up the video. Now that we cannot see any water dropping anymore, so we can see what we have got. Let's check the water first. As you can see, we started from cloudy water. You can see we are now left with a very clean water. So we have separated the water from the sand. And if we take a look inside the funnel with the filter paper, we are going to see the leftover sand. So the sand has been separated from the water. So that is separation techniques using the process of filtration.